Subscribe to my channel to see the latest unboxing videos to your mobile.
So welcome back to my channel. Here is the Realme package, Realme cell, and here is the Realme Buds Access Pro case. Test the quality. Here is some instruction manual how to set up it with QR code. Let's keep it aside. Let's open the case. How the quality is. Nice quality. It is available in four colors: white, blue, green, and black. The quality is awesome. The key handle is also awesome. Okay. Now let's open the wrap and see what is the box content. On the top, the invoice with the bubble wrap earbuds itself, okay, and nothing inside. Let's check once again. Nothing inside. No, nothing. Here is the invoice. The actual MRP is 8,000, but discount rate is 4,500. Okay, let's keep it aside. So here is our buds with bubble wrap. Let's take out the bubble wrap. Okay, nice packing. Here is some features. You can pause the video and read it, like Realme link supported, etc. 50 dB, etc. This is the box contents and manufacturing details like IP55 related, some certified certifications. Now move to the our Realme Buds Access Pro. Let's cut the seal. Let's take out the polythene. Yeah. Okay. Now 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Here is our on the top. We get the buds itself with the case with some instructions how to set up it. Okay. You can see here with Chinese language, and box content you will get inside a box, one small box. You get the user manual and warranty card. There is a user manual. Read it before using it. Okay, and with Type C cable, charging cable, and some ear tips. Okay, here is the box content. Now let's check the earpiece quality. Rubberized quality with wire mesh. Okay, I like the build quality. Okay, now let's move to the buds itself. It is very compact design. Okay, let's fill it. So it has satisfying. There is a glossy titanium build with plastic body. Okay, glossy finish. The fingerprint is easily comes out on it. So very careful with charging port, reset button, etc. On the top, Realme branding with LED indication. Okay, fingerprint is easily on the case. So I also ordered the case for it. Build quality, I will rate 8.5 out of 10. Okay, though it is plastic, that is okay. Now let's test the buds. This is a long stem quality. Here is a touch sensor. This is a mic, and this is a earring sensor detection. There is a wind channel noise cancellation. You can see here, and this is a speaker grill. Okay, the case quality is also awesome. But remember that case is not IP rating certified. Only the buds are IP55 certified. Okay, this case is not a certified. So keep away from dust and water. The magnets are strong. You can see here, they easily the white indication, white light indication is ready for fire. Okay, now let's do the move to the charging department. So the battery backup is actually 9 out of 10 according to my use. It takes 1.5 hours for full in charge 0 to 100%, and at least 40 hours from NC off. it will get. Okay, but it's actually at most 10 hours. Buds are actually 10 hours. Okay, so let's put the case we have brought from the Amazon. Wow, nice quality. Now it's all set. Okay, now let's test the clicking sound. For some clicking sound, manual operation and manuals are very strong. Okay, now let's change the ear tips. My ear canal is supporting the largest ear piece you have installed now. Now moves to the testing or app support testing. Rating is good. Rating also good. Now let's quickly install the Realme app. I have already installed. After installing, please sign in with email ID and password. Okay, I have already signed in. Here is the app interface. Okay, now we have not connected. I have already created the account. Okay, here is my profile. Okay, here is my profile. Okay, now there is a firmware update, etc. The app interface is good. Okay, now let's pair our buds. Realme S6 Pro. Buds S6 Pro. Okay, it supports IWP, means instant wake up pair, or Google Fast Pair. Okay, now let's quickly pair it. Now let's quickly pair. Okay, it is showing yes, the pop-up has kept. Now let's press connect. It will connect flawlessly. As you can see, the green light started blinking. Okay, now it's already paired. Yes, it is paired now. Now click on done. It is successfully connected. Okay, please note that the LDAC is not turned on because this setting is turned off in the Realme app. The audio device type is headphone. Okay, now let's move to the Realme app. You can see the Realme Buds S6 Pro. It is detected now. Click on the statement of use, agree it, and follow the quick start guide. Okay, like operation, gestures, etc. Okay, read it before using it. Gestures, left, get started, press the get started, and here we go. It is connected. Left buds, right bud, and case. Charging status is showing here. Okay, if you take out the buds, the case charging will disappear. It is flawlessly disconnect and connect easily within a second. Now it's connected. Okay, if you take out the buds, the case charging status will disappear. Okay, so I will rate the app support. Out of 10 is 9. Okay, here is the info. Okay, here is a noise cancellation off, transparency. Here is a equalizer mode like vocals, original sound, pure bass, deep bass. Here is a custom equalizer mode. You can set according to your choice. Okay, I am setting now pure bass mode now. And let's go back. Here is a golden sound. You can scan your canal and hearing test. I will show the demo afterwards. Okay, let's go back. And here is a special audio feature. It is turned off now. You can see, you can turn on here. Okay, read the description here. Okay, now let's go back. Here is a high definition sound. As you can see, it is turned off. Now let's turn on. For a few seconds, it will disconnect and reconnect automatically. Please hold a second. Now it's connected now. Okay, device is connected. Press done. Now LDAC is active. Here is a dynamic bass. You can set according to your choice. The bass, please turn off this volume enhancer because it disturbs the sound. There is a dual device connection. I will show you later. Okay. Here is a earbud test. You can now let's test the sound quality. I am very normal bass and sound quality. I will rate 9 out of 10. Sound quality I will rate 9 out of 10. Okay. You can see here the spatial audio is on and let's turn off. Sound is good. Okay. It is very loud. You cannot hear the sound above 90%. I am listening 80% is a sweet spot. Okay. Bass is very good. Okay. Let's try deep bass. Much better bass. Here is a vocal, only vocals, and original sound, very balanced sound. Okay, I will prefer pure bass or deep bass. Okay, if you are bass lover, you can set to the deep bass or vocals if you like. Okay, I will setting the pure bass mode. You can see here the in-ear detection works perfectly, flawlessly. It is automatic resume and pause the video or you listen the music. Okay, here is a button settings like left ear button, double press, triple press, or tap and hold. Okay, you can set according to your choice like volume up, down, voice assistant, etc. etc. Right earbuds also the same function. Okay, here is a in-ear detection and auto answer. You can turn on ear. Okay, please note that the O reality is supported in the Realme phones. Okay, you can check the firmware update. Here you can update your firmware. Okay, now it's all set to dated. Okay, now let's talk about the buds. The buds itself weight 4.7 to 5 grams each. Okay, now let's test the ANC and transparency mode. Let's wear it. The ANC and transparency mode I will rate 8.5 out of 10. Okay, here is a mind blow. You can see the noise cancellation is max and wind noise reduction is turned on. Here is a perform the ear canal test for the maximum noise cancellation experience will be experienced. Okay, now it is automatically set to max. Here is 4 modes like smart, maximum, moderate, and mild. Mild is for the home and office, moderate is for streets, and maximum is for aeroplane or train travel. A smart is automatically adjust like adaptive. Okay, ANC is good. Here is a special video. Here is a transparency like enhance your voice. It will automatically enhance, but it sounds like little robotic. Okay, now let's go to the golden sound. I am fast forwarding it. It sends some signals. Okay, for your personalized ear canal testing or ear testing. Low frequency, high frequency, mid frequency. It will test in left buds and right buds. Okay, I am fast forwarding it. The right ear also the same, and the test is completed now. Let's see what the report says. Here is before and after. Let's check the before. Microphone formation is before is normal now. After is much enhanced. Okay, good quality before and after. You can press the apply and it's all set. Okay, there is a mind flow button mode. You can listen to the relaxing sound or white noise according to your space. Okay, you can download. Let's set the volume at 80%. It is a sweet spot. Okay, now let's pause this for a while and it's all set. Just note that the real reality is Realme supported phones, but iPhone is already Dolby Atmos support, so you can manually set the Dolby Atmos if you cannot find the reality settings in your phone. Okay, this I am connected my laptop and phone with dual device connection. It is working flawlessly. You can see dual device I have already paired with phone and my laptop. Here you can see I have connected my phone and my laptop at a time. Okay, now let's test the functions of buttons. Double tap for pause play and triple tap for volume up in the right bud. Okay, and in the left bud, double tap for the pause play and triple tap for volume down. I've already said you can set according to your preference, like voice assistant, triple skip or previous song, next song, etc. Okay, now let's move to the mic testing. So here is a sample from Realme Buds Air 6 Pro in indoor condition. Little noise like birds sound and my sister taking online classes in another room. In this condition, fans are turned off. Now let's test it under fan sound. Now fans are turned on. Hold a second. It's turning a fan. You can see fan noise almost cut. Okay. So overall, I will rate in indoor condition is 9.5 out of 10. Now let's move to the outdoor condition. This is complete on the Realme Buds Air 6 Pro in the outdoor condition. In here, the graphic is light to moderate, so you can get the idea how the mic quality in the outdoor condition. So I will rate 9.5 out of 10 or 10 out of 10. I will get it. Okay, so let's move to the video. So thanks for watching. Do subscribe my channel and like my video. The purchase link in the description. Hope you enjoyed the video. Okay, so thanks. Take care.